So again, the Rains list that anyone can Google or look up on YouTube. And my 28th TikTok account burned down for mentioning the Rains list. And it's disclosed in the Rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting parties, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. So plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. Dismason Council, White Lodge, the local mafia, it's the local mob, Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis. Simon Bailey don't cry, and his blonde host plainclothes lover, not true detective. No Roy Whiten, White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, the shooter, read don't think so. And as always, a high royal blue crime, New Year's Day find, September blue murder, certainly not mine. No red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne Cousins, 7-2 and Hut on the Skoda there. Brady Huntley, Fred West, Black Panther, serial killer here. And police surrounding my frame fixed Skoda at Hitcham, calling for backup. North Norfolk coast, 7 miles from Sandringham, where I was staying in a disused beach hut. Nicely setting me up as the Black Cat, copycat, Black Cat of Burston, Son of Sam, Black Panther, Sandringham serial killer, really don't think so. Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station, mountain bike rapist, Child 44, Black Wizard terrorist, that one's got 23 on it. Very good film, Jim Carrey, number 23. And a good crime drama, The Suspect. A nomad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde. Number 21 or number 23, serial killer here. Again, a rich boy's loft pie, human hunting pie. Their high royal blue crime, New Year's Day find, September blue murder, certainly not mine. Again, no Roy Whiten, White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, the shooter, certainly wasn't me.